Okay.
A lot of drones out in one day.
Yeah. My drones. Yeah, heaps of drones. Oh, it's getting chilly. Here's my hanky over in the car, van. Yeah, I think my hanky's in the van. What's the wind speed saying at the moment? It's pretty light, I think. Yeah, it's quite light. and go home. Yeah, quite a few drones up. We got a medic, we got a flip, we got a phantom, and we got the airplane. Yeah. 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 I would like to try and check out the drone before I go. I have my place. So I wonder how long the battery lasts on that thing. We done golf. Yeah. You're not supposed to do golf here. Definitely not supposed to do golf. I think he was picking up rubbish right now. He's doing golf. Sounds like they're picking up. I'm wondering whether so should get the room too, really. For landing. Maybe. Oh yeah. Definitely landing it. Wanted to check out your drone.
Sorry?
Just wanted to check out your drone.
Yeah, go ahead and look.
Yeah. Click. Alright.
M400.
400, oh yeah.
So we use it, we put some instruments on it to measure, to do LiDAR and gamma and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, how heavy is it?
Oh, you can lift it up if you want.
Oh yeah.
Heavy?
Yeah.
Less than 15 kgs with all the gear on it.
Okay.
But we're doing our training next week. So we're all doing part 101. Some of us have done it before.
Okay.
And then a couple of us are doing part 102.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we can fly beyond line of sight and stuff like that.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, so the controller's quite neat. You feel that, how heavy, how big that is.
Oh yeah.
Massive, eh?
Yeah, it is.
I don't actually like it. I like the Mavic 3M. That's my favourite drone.
Oh yeah.
The little Mavic 3M. It's really nice.
Oh yeah.
But
Cool.
yeah, this is quite nice to fly. But we haven't flown it much in ATI mode without the GPS hold. And for the test, we have to fly it in ATI mode.
Okay.
So you have to take into account the wind.
All right.
And
Yeah.
even just doing a yaw, 360 yaw,
Yeah.
it's really, really hard because you've got to keep adjusting it to keep it in the same place.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah. So what do you do? Are you flying by? Have you got goggles that you fly with, or?
No, just remote and phone. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So what is that? A video?
Yeah, camera.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
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 It's quite good fun. And it's a good place here to
Yeah.
do that sort of thing.
Yeah. Oh, nice to meet you. And
Yeah, nice to meet. Thank you so much for the tape. That was helpful.
Yeah. Yeah, you too. Oh, pretty cool drone. Definitely my favourite mine. Yeah. Bit of extra content to it. So what's the M400? Yeah. Oh. Time to go home, I guess. I should have taken a bit of photo of it. Oh, well, whatever. I got the camera footage. Chilly. Chilly, chilly. Anyway. Yeah, so a pretty interesting day. That's for sure. Well, I guess that's the video, I guess. It might be a long video too.